HR lang yan. Madaling trabaho yan. Kahit sino kayang gawin yan. Basta marunong ka lang makisama. Misconceptions in HR, Part 3. Anyone can do HR. HR lang yan. Madaling trabaho yan. Kahit sino kayang gawin yan. Basta marunong ka lang makisama. Pero teka, HR is more than just being nice and organized. Isipin mo, HR handle labor laws or labor compliance. HR deals with termination, grievances, harassment cases. HR balances budgets for salaries and benefits. HR designs training programs. At higit sa lahat, HR ang first emotional responder in the workplace. Hindi ito basta-bastang trabaho. Yes, kailangan mo ng common sense, pero kailangan mo din ng critical thinking, legal knowledge, empathy, at matibay na prinsipyo. Ang HR isa yung propesyon at tulad ng ibang profession, hindi siya dapat minamaliit. HR lang yan. Okay? Kaya let's honor the roles just like how we honor the roles of doctors, engineers, teachers, etc. Yun lang. Bye!